So guys, in this Pro Contractor video series, tips, I want to talk about making ethical decisions in the construction trades. The words are always the same, whether it's a talk to my employees or I'm talking to my kids. Make good decisions. Do the right thing. It's not that hard, right? Well, sometimes it is. Decision making requires selecting between choices. Some decisions in life are wicked easy and not really important. For example, you might wake up tomorrow morning and you're going to decide whether, maybe you decide to have cereal instead of toast for breakfast. That's an easy decision, I hope. But other decisions can involve choosing between what's right and what's wrong. Sometimes money clouds our judgment. Sometimes it's not clear or easy to know which is the correct choice. Making ethical decisions in construction is super important to your company's enduring reputation, to your reputation. Life's tough. And sometimes it's hard to do the right thing. So when I'm unsure if I'm making the right choice, I sometimes try to think of a few things. I try to consider. For example, if I have to think too much about anything, if I feel like I need to justify my actions to do something, it's probably not the right thing to do. I often say, do my actions hurt anybody? That's a no-brainer, right? Am I being truthful and fair? I try to always be fair if I can. Have I ever been told it's wrong or illegal? Is it against the law? That should be a no-brainer. How about, how would I feel if my actions were printed on the front page of the newspaper? Would I be embarrassed or would I be proud? What would people that I respect the most say about what I just did or what I did? And then did I violate the golden rule? And what's the golden rule? The golden rule is, how would I feel if someone did it to me or one of my family members? Would I be pissed off? And after all that, if I am still stuck, I'll research and I'll seek out someone who I trust and respect and ask them for their opinion and talk it out with them. The goal is to do the right thing. Guys, if you're enjoying these Pro Contractor video tips, please leave me a comment. I want to hear what you think. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you next time here at Concord Carpenter.